TIS controls ZigBee shutters and curtains using its TIS ZigBee motors and switch or controller module. To add ZigBee devices to your hub using TIS DevSearch software, find and open your ZigBee hub by selecting it and double-clicking on it. Go to the ZigBee Devices tab, then select the Curtain Device option. Go to your ZigBee device, for example, the Eon Curtain switch, and physically press its first button for 6 seconds until it starts blinking slowly. Once it blinks slowly, quickly press the button 3 times in a row without any delay. The device will then start blinking rapidly, indicating that it is entering joining network mode. In the software, click on Open Join Window. This will start a 255-second countdown to join any ZigBee devices in joining mode. Wait a few seconds, and the ZigBee curtain switch information will appear automatically in your list, highlighted in yellow. Double-click on the channel that appears, add a comment, and either keep the default channel number or change it. Select the curtain type as motor with position feedback. This is the most common type for ZigBee devices. Then, assign it to a specific room. You can test the curtain switch by pressing the open, close, and stop buttons, or by changing the opening percentage. In curtain mode, you can reverse the relay output from close to open, so the open curtain will correspond to relay output 1, and close will correspond to relay output 2. Alternatively, you can keep it as normal, default. For calibration, some curtains support manual position calibration for open or close. You can set this in the calibration mode, and once done, you can return it to the normal position. Some third-party motors support work or standby mode, or have LED status indicators, which you can configure accordingly. To add a TIS ZigBee curtain motor, short press the programming button multiple times until it starts blinking. This indicates that it is entering joining network mode. Then, press Open Join Window to add the curtain motor to the list and follow the same process for configuring the curtain. You can also add the TIS ZigBee Tubular Motor by using the same method. Press the programming button 5 times to join it to the network and configure it accordingly. When you're finished, all your channels will be saved in the database. To check, go to Project Config, choose Rooms, then Curtain Motors, and review your channels.